Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's LB the Well, man. I hope everybody having a blessed, wonderful day. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoy this video of the ArcCaptain Arc 200, straight to the point, realist review on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? That's in my eyes. You know what I'm saying? I hope you feel the same. But yeah, man, shout out my bae, you know what I'm saying, my girlfriend, you know what I'm saying. She the one who actually, you know what I'm saying, snuck on my Amazon, you know what I'm saying. And you know what I'm saying, figured out what kind of welding machine I was about to buy and shit, and she done bought it for me before I could buy it, you know what I'm saying. So shout out to my girl, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, man, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave in the comment section any type of videos y'all want me to do, any topics y'all want me to cover, any questions y'all have, just leave them in the comment section. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Yeah. Already? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 200 amps. Oh yeah, y'all here. Oh yeah. Let's do a little impromptu unboxing video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just about to let all y'all niggas know what come up in the box and stuff, man. My friend. But this is the ArcCaptain Arc 200. That's the name of the model. The machine run about $140 on Amazon. I'm just showing y'all everything that come in the box. What do you think? With the ground clamp. With the 220 power volt. Well, I'm sure it is a 240, like 100 type shit power volt, but you can transfer it over to a regular $125. You know, that's what they got a little extension for. Got a little strap holding on your shoulder. You got the big boy yourself, you know, welding machine. So they even hook you up with some.
Hey, you been trapping all week, ain't even hit 1,000. Made another 3K just in 50 hours. It hit early in the morning, I've been rich for hours. I've been smelling like the money, scared to hit the shower. I'm surrounded by the money, can't avoid it all. I was 20 years old with a 40 ball. Paper fiending, phone ringing, can't avoid a call. They just rap, pockets flat, can't afford the ball. I could really make a grill with my wrist. I could put you in the mix. Here's the whiz.
Look at that, man. That slag coming off my finger, man. You know, man. See y'all know I ain't just bullshit with this finger in my hand. Come on, man. Come on, man. You getting busy out there, man. In the snow. In the snow, man. Come on. Come on, man. You getting busy. Getting busy, my friend. Hey, don't get no better than this. Hey, ay.
I know it's pay to rent since a jet. I can show you how to whip. Here's a hint, cook it till it's still. I'm knee deep in this shit, I ain't no rookie, bitch, I'm him. Risk it buried like I'm Curry, ain't no looking at the rim. Once I'm purging, it's a flurry, but don't hurry, let it vent. You know nothing about that, I'm something like that, I'm cut like that, I'm trim. I jump right back in that field and ran my sack up in Mobile. Catch me slipping, be for real, I got that echo, bitch, go chill. Fuck withdrawals, hop in this car, this ain't no joyride, it's a thrill. You need a season pass, butter like I'm Peter Pan. Regulator, stutter, bitch, I love to make that needle dance. Me, myself, and I divide the pie, I just might need a friend. No for slinging bees, I'm major lead, they label me the man. Grab that other side, crank up that fire. You been trapping all.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Got a couple little rough starts and shit. Couple little rough spots and shit I meant to say. But come on, man.
We ain't even hit 1,000. Made another 3K just in 50 hours. It hit early in the morning, I've been rich for hours. I've been smelling like the money, scared to hit the shower. I'm surrounded by the money, can't avoid it all. I was 20 years old with a 40 ball. Paper fiending, phone ringing, can't avoid a call. They just rap, pockets flat, can't afford the ball. I could really make a grill with my wrist. I could put you in the mix. here's a whiz. All I know is pay the rent. Since a jet, I can show you how to whip. Here's a hint.